How to tell if my timing belt broke. If you suspect that your car's timing belt has broken, there are several signs and symptoms to look out for. A broken timing belt can lead to significant engine damage, so it's important to address the issue promptly. So, before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Here's how to tell if your car's timing belt has broken. 1. Engine won't start or cranks unusually. If your engine suddenly refuses to start or cranks without starting, it could be due to a broken timing belt. Without proper synchronization between the crankshaft and camshaft, the engine won't be able to ignite the air-fuel mixture effectively. 2. Unusual engine sounds. When a timing belt breaks, the sudden loss of synchronization can cause the valves and pistons to collide inside the engine, resulting in a loud clattering or knocking noise. This noise can be a clear indicator of a timing belt failure. 3. Tachometer reading. If you're driving and notice that the tachometer (RPM) gauge suddenly drops to 0 while the engine is still running, it could indicate a timing belt failure. This drop in RPM indicates that the camshaft is no longer rotating, disrupting the engine's operation. 4. No compression. A broken timing belt can lead to a loss of compression in the engine's cylinders. You might notice reduced power, poor acceleration, and overall sluggish performance. 5. Misfiring. If your engine is misfiring or running roughly, it could be due to improper valve and piston synchronization caused by a broken timing belt. 6. Oil leakage. In some cases, a broken timing belt can lead to oil leakage from the front of the engine. This can happen when the engine components, usually the camshaft seals, are disrupted due to the sudden loss of timing. 7. Visual inspection. If you have access to the timing belt cover, you can visually inspect it. A broken or severely damaged timing belt will be visibly noticeable. However, keep in mind that not all engines have easily accessible timing belt covers. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's advisable to stop driving the vehicle immediately to prevent further damage. A broken timing belt can cause serious internal engine damage if the valves and pistons collide. Have the vehicle towed to a qualified mechanic to diagnose the issue and determine if the timing belt is indeed broken. Regular maintenance and adhering to the manufacturer's recommended timing belt replacement intervals are essential to avoid such issues and maintain your engine's health. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.